Today I'm here to give a little bit of an education on how to get more than one use out of a pair of pasties. We make this fantastic product called Pastease refills, and we have for well over a decade now. Refills run for $11.99 on pasties.com. They are shape specific and offered in our more simple shapes. And they are a product that is just our usual white liner you're familiar with that's on the back of the pasty, and it's liner on both sides. It's essentially a double stick tape, but it's our medical grade adhesive encased in liner. Each pack has 6 pieces of refills, so you could get 3 more uses out of a pair of pasties that you love. All of our refills come with 6 nipple pads that if you want to place in the center of your pasty prior to placing on, those are there for you. I know a lot of our customers love our little nipple pads to just make for a more gentle removal or protection of any piercings. There's a couple ways to handle your refills. You have a shape, you buy the specific shape of refill and you line it up perfectly so to your refill. I would do this by removing the liner of my pasty, and I'm just down here doing this, and then I need to line it back up just perfectly so. You know, it'll still stick. I've got, the majority of my real estate's covered, but I want to get this lined up, and I'm doing this quick right now. I could do a better line-up job, but I would want to line this up as evenly as possible, trimming any excess adhesive so I don't get any dirt or dust, debris, sweater lint, etc. stuck to that adhesive sticking out. And once that's done, once I'm all trimmed up and even, I just want to really press my pasty on this new piece of liner. And then once that's done, I'm just ready to peel and stick again to my breast, wear it out, love it up, and I'm good to go.